How to use time, H&C step by step. Most people get this wrong, but using time, H&C can simplify date and time handling in your programs. You won't believe how easy it is to access current time, measure execution and format dates. Start by including the header at the top of your code, include time H. This gives access to functions like time clock and diff time. To get the current time, declare a time t variable and assign it with timinal. This returns the current calendar time in seconds since the epoch. For more detailed formatting, use local to merge gem-time to convert time t into a structum containing year, month, day, hour, minute and second. You can then display the components with print or manipulate them as needed. Measuring program execution is simple with clock. Call clock before and after a code block, then divide the difference by clocks per sec to get elapsed time in seconds. In conclusion, using time, H&C involves including the header, accessing current time with time, formatting with localTime, and measuring execution with clock. Mastering these functions makes time handling efficient in your programs.